In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Hostinger AI Website Builder to create a complete website in just a few minutes, even if you have absolutely no coding or design experience. Hostinger's AI Builder can automatically generate a website layout, text, and structure based on a short description that you provide. That means you can go from an idea to a fully published website extremely fast. This is perfect for blogs, small business sites, portfolios, landing pages, and even online stores. I'll walk you through the full step-by-step process, from logging into Hostinger, generating your AI website, customizing the design, and finally publishing it live on your domain. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech and website tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. The first step is to log into your Hostinger dashboard. Once you're inside your account, look at the main menu and click on Websites. After that, click the button that says Add Website. Hostinger will now ask what type of website you want to create. From the available options, choose Website Builder. This option allows you to create a website using Hostinger's visual editor and AI tools without needing to install WordPress or any other platform. After selecting Website Builder, you'll be taken to the AI Website Creation tool where you can start describing the website you want to build. Now, this is where the AI feature comes in. Hostinger will ask you to enter some basic information about your website. First, type the name of your website or business. Next, choose the type of website you want to create, such as a blog, business website, portfolio, or online store. After that, you'll need to write a short description of the website you want the AI to generate. Try to be clear and specific here, because the AI uses this description to design the layout and generate the content. For example, you could write something like, create a simple blog website about technology news and AI tools with a modern layout and easy navigation. Once you've entered your website name, business type, and description, click Continue and let the AI start generating your website. Within a few seconds, Hostinger's AI will automatically create a full website layout for you. This usually includes a homepage, headings, example text, images, and structured sections that match the description you provided. The great thing about this is that you don't have to start from a blank page. Instead, you get a complete starting point that you can easily customize. Once the website loads, you'll enter the drag and drop editor. This editor allows you to click on any section of the website and edit it instantly. You can change text, replace images, adjust colors, move sections around, and add new elements like buttons, galleries, contact forms, and social media links. Everything works visually, so you simply click on the part you want to edit and update it directly on the page. If you want to change the layout, you can drag sections to different positions or add new sections from the Builder panel. For example, you might want to add a testimonial section, a services section, or a contact form so visitors can reach you easily. You can also update the navigation menu so users can quickly move between pages like Home, About, Blog, or Contact. Take a few minutes to review all the content generated by the AI and personalize it so it matches your brand or project. Replace placeholder text with your real content and upload your own images if needed. Once your website design looks the way you want, the final step is connecting your domain and publishing the site. In the Hostinger Builder, look for the Publish button. Before publishing, make sure your domain is connected to the website. If you purchased a domain through Hostinger, you can select it directly from the list. After confirming your domain, click Publish and Hostinger will make your website live on the internet. Now anyone can visit your site using your domain name. And that's it. You've just created a full website using Hostinger AI Website Builder. If this video helped you learn how to quickly build a website with AI, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.